Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Marshall County in Middle Tennessee, western Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, Maury County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, western Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Bedford County in Middle Tennessee, until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:22 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Pea Green to 7 miles southeast of Fairview to near Mount Pleasant, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour in gust 10 nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Lebanon, Ashland City, Nashville, Madison, Hendersonville, Smyrna, Brentwood, La Vernie, Spring Hill, Mount Juliet, Goodlettsville, Nolensville, Forest Hills, Mount Pleasant, Oak Hill, and Belmead. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 183 and 232. Interstate 65 between mile markers 42 and 97. Interstate 24 between mile markers 39 and 76. Interstate 840 between mile markers 10 and 71. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Central Daylight Time for Middle Tennessee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until